The magic of generative AI has come to Adobe Photoshop in a big way. Now it takes only seconds to generate new image elements from scratch right inside Photoshop using AI-powered features like generative fill and generative expand. Hi, I'm Jan Kabili from Adobe's Learn team. In this short series of videos, I'll help you get started using generative AI in Photoshop. You'll learn how to use generative fill and generative expand in Photoshop to save time and create amazing content. With generative fill in Photoshop, you'll add objects to an image by just describing them in a text prompt. And you'll save time on production tasks, like removing unwanted content. And with generative expand in Photoshop, you'll change a horizontal image into a vertical, letting generative AI create brand new content to automatically fill in the extended areas. All of the amazing Photoshop capabilities we'll cover in this course are powered by Firefly, Adobe's family of generative AI models. This is the same technology that drives features in the Adobe Firefly web application. But having this technology built into Photoshop makes it even more valuable. With Firefly-powered generative AI at your fingertips in Photoshop, you can accelerate your Photoshop workflows, create amazing images, and use familiar Photoshop tools along with generative AI features to get results that you really want.